Hey everybody, and welcome to my first tutorial for Autodesk 3ds Max 2021. Today we're going to be starting it off simple, learning how to make a simple sphere in 3ds Max. Now if you don't have access to 3ds Max, perhaps you're a Blender user, well this is the part of the video where I tell you to turn it off. Personally, I don't talk to people that use Blender, and I don't even really consider them to be people at all. Now I know legally that is not the case, but believe me, if I were in charge, that would be different. 3ds Max is a serious program for serious and professional uses. It is not some freeware, shareware crap to make your anime VTuber or whatever the hell they're doing with Blender these days. So, if you're new or old or just getting started with 3ds Max or you've been around for a long time, stick around and you might just learn something. So you're going to want to come over to the Creation tab, and under that you're going to want to click on Sphere, and then just click anywhere on the grid and drag. And there you go. That's your first sphere in 3ds Max. Thanks for watching, and take care.